Kisnem ba uba Arden Mila Basayo Moj bat uba Adalbert ng room ki job kum ki MLA hapok ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. House nem arajar pra uba Arden Mila Basayo Moj ula job na kasing United Democratic Party kumba 1000 pras pa 1000 votes. House nem arajar khatlai uba Arden Mila Basayo Moj ula job na kasing Hill State People Democratic Party kumba prahajar sanspa praposan votes. House nem arajar khat pra uba Adalbert ng room ula job na kaseng Khon Hinew Trip National Awakening Movement kumba sanajar sanspa niyo po votes bat ka total percentage kabalong live 0.00%. House nem arajar arpulay uba Arden Mila Basayo Moj ula job na kaseng Voice of the People's Party kumba khat lahajar arspa prapundri votes bat ka total percentage kabalong kumba 0.00%. House nem arajar arpulay uba Adalbert ng room ula job na kaseng Voice of the People's Party kumba sanajar sanspa prapulay votes bat ka total percentage kabalong kumba 8.0%.